Let's take the question from the intercept. An aircraft heading 040 magnetic has an ADF reading 60 relative. Is to intercept 120 magnetic track inbound to an NDB at 50 degrees. The relative bearing of NDB that confirms the track intercept may be 080, 060 or 50. Which is the answer? If you understand the diagram of this question, you will easily get the answer within 1 minute. अगर आप इसका डायग्राम समझ गए कैसे बनेगा तो आपका आंसर 1 मिनट में आ जाएगा. Let's take the diagram. Okay. Aircraft heading is 040. So let's make the aircraft heading 040. For example, roughly idea 040. ठीक है. इसके बाद ADF reading 060 relative. What is the ADF reading? 060. ADF reading means NDB is lying somewhere here. Let's take the NDB lying here somewhere. Okay. This is your NDB. Because why NDB is here? यहाँ पर क्यों NDB? Because NDB ADF reading 060 relative. This angle should be approximate 60 degree. This angle should be approximate 60 degree. ये एंगल आपका 60 डिग्री होना चाहिए approximate. Next is to intercept the 120 magnetic track inbound. Mind it, याद रखिए inbound to an NDB at 50 degree. एयरक्राफ्ट जो इंटरसेप्ट कर रहा है किस ट्रैक को? इनबाउंड टू 120 डिग्री. इनबाउंड कौन सा होता है? इनबाउंड ये होता है. देखिए 120. अब देखिए दिस इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 90. 120 is this is 120 approximate. So aircraft will intercept this angle. Inbound. This is your inbound. This you have to remember. What is inbound? This is your inbound. This is your outbound. Going from the outbound. Let the aircraft intercept this at what is intercept angle? 50 degree. Let the aircraft intercept at this 50 degree. This angle is 50 degree. Okay. And he is asking relative bearing of the NDB that confirm the track intercept. This is the track intercept. यहाँ पर ट्रैक को इंटरसेप्ट किया इसने तो इसका क्या एंगल होगा? रिलेटिव बेयरिंग एडीएफ क्या रीड करेगा? एडीएफ विल रीड दिस एंगल ओनली. दिस इज योर रिलेटिव. दिस एंगल इज द एडीएफ रीडिंग. तो आंसर विल बी 50 degree relative. This is your answer. Okay.